Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lan channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, this is really the perfect time to do it because you are a part of this growing family. We are now officially 8,131 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. I love you all. Mahal na mahal ko po kayong lahat. Okay, so ang pag-usapan po natin today ay yung ano po no, yung kay Satur Ocampo no. Si Satur Ocampo po, para sa mga hindi po nakakilala, siya po ay dating party list congressman ng Bayan Muna. Okay? Si ano naman po, si Franz Castro ay siya po ay isang incumbent congresswoman ng ACT or ng Association of Concerned Teachers, no? Sila po ay guilty. Yes, tama po kayo, no? Tama po yung mga narinig nyo. Guilty po itong dalawang left-leaning, no? Personalities natin, si Satur Ocampo at saka si Franz Castro. Guilty po sila ng child abuse. Nako po, no? Kayo, itong mahirap dito no? Parang napaka-epokrito naman, no? Criticize kayo kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, hindi pala natin alam, may mga kaso pala kayong ganito na merong child abuse, no? Diyan sa Tagum City Court. Ano ba to? Bakit naman ganyan, no? Representative Franz Castro at Satur Ocampo ng Bayan Muna o ng Makabayan Black, nako po, sila po ay hinatulan, no? Hinatulan po sila, no? Na talagang guilty po sila. Pero itong mga bagay naman na ito ay pwede naman po nilang i-appeal. Okay? Pwede naman po nilang i-appeal ito, no? Ayan po, si former Bayan Muna Party List Representative Satur Ocampo at saka si incumbent ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro ay guilty po ng child abuse dyan sa isang korte dyan sa Tagum City, Davao del Norte. Nako po, kayo, criticize kayo ng criticize, ganun naman pala, may mga kaso naman pala kayo, no? Yung conviction na ito ay talaga yung accusations na putik na yan, they held minors, no? During a solidarity mission in Talingod, Davao del Norte in November 2018. Nako po. Pero ito po ay sa panahon ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Sila po ay kinasuhan ng child abuse. Ito po, in a 25-page decision dated July 3, the Tagum Regional Trial Court Branch 2 convicted Ocampo, Castro, and 11 others guilty of violating Section 10A of Republic Act 7610 or the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. Di ba? Huwag nyo na po idamay ang mga bata. Kung meron po kayong mga may mga ganyan po kayo aktibidades na parang left-leaning na activities, please do not include children. Kasi pag-aralin po natin sila, papuntahin po natin sila sa eskwelahan, no? In the court sentence all 13 respondents to imprisonment of 4 years to 6 years and ordered them to pay a total of 20,000 to 10,000 for civil indemnity and 10,000 for moral damages to each of the 14 victims. So, magbabayad pa lang sila. Pero, pwede naman po sila mag-appeal. Appealable naman po ito mga to, no? Yung records reveal that the prosecution has established proof beyond reasonable doubt that the accused committed acts detrimental to the safety and well-being of the minor LUMAD learners, the court state. Okay? So Tagum Regional Trial Court Branch 2, however, acquitted 4 other respondents to the case after the prosecution has failed to prove their guilt beyond reasonable doubt. No? So in a joint statement, Ocampo and Castro maintained the innocence of all the accused. According to them, the lower court wrongfully convicted them. This wrongful conviction, sabi nila, ito wrongfully conviction speaks of the continuing prosecution of those who are helping and advocating for the rights of LUMAD children and the persistent attacks of LUMAD schools and communities. Nako po, hayaan po natin silang mag-aral, no? Former Congressman Ocampo na tumakbo bilang senador ng Pilipinas, ngunit natalo po ito. At si Franz Castro naman natatakbo bilang senador ng Pilipinas, ngunit inaasahan po natin na matatalo ito si Franz Castro, no? sabi nila na yung korte daw failed to investigate testimonies regarding threats and harassments against Lumad schools and its forcibly closure. Siyempre nga po, di ba? Dapat po protektahan natin ang mga kabataan. Bakit po kayo ganyan, no? So this is a clear miscarriage of justice and we will strongly question this decision in all venues possible. Nako po, talaga i-a-appeal po nila ito, no? Itong mga Castro at sa Tour Ocampo, i-a-appeal po nila ito sa tamang venue, no? For example, ito, baka i-appeal nila ito sa Court of Appeals o pwede po nilang i-appeal diyan sa Tagum City Court, no? Tagum City Court, no? Tapos pag hindi pa po, i-appeal nila yan sa Court of Appeals rather, tapos i-appeal uli nila yan, matatalo na naman until such time na umabot yan sa Supreme Court. Yan. Etong November 2018, the Army-backed police arrested Ocampo, wow, and 17 other leaders of militant groups and volunteer Lumad indigenous people teachers on human trafficking charges. Meron palang human trafficking eh. Bakit nyo criticize si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy kung kayo naman ay nigagawa nyo itong mga ito, no? Ocampo and the others were supposed to deliver food supplies to a remote village in Talangud and rescue dozens of Lumad teachers and pupils allegedly being harassed by members of the armed paramilitary group called Alamara. Yan. Their actions were part of a solidarity mission that responded to an urgent appeal for help from Lumad teachers of Salugpongan, Tanaku, Ikano Community Learning Center at Barangay Palmahil, where troops from the 56th Infantry Battalion and Alamara gunmen had allegedly imposed a food blockade. Okay, sabi po ni Ocampo na and his companions were in a 5-vehicle convoy of more than 70 people, including 29 school children. Ayun, bakit nyo kasi isinakay dyan? Yun ang problema. When talagang police officers and soldiers from the 56th IB Infantry Brigade at Barangay Santo Niño stopped them at the checkpoint and arrested them. Ayun, yung problema, di ba? O, bakit po kayo gagawa ng ganyan, di ba? Ayan, okay? O, ito. Ay nako. Ang judge po diyan ay si Judge Jimmy Boco, no? Of Tagum City Regional Trial Court Branch 2, nag-issue po ng desisyon na guilty po sila against RA 7610, no? Yan. Okay, so yung mga gano'n, no? Ay nako. Sige po hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka naman so that we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all.